getting stung by a fire, and Elsma's dressed up like Hannah's toes. A top cake and some graham crackers will help to make your sausage right. Tiny peas with their skins all aglow will find it hard to be pickled tonight. They know that Chef is on his way. He's loaded lots of little children in his sleigh, and every tartar sauce is going to boil to see if, oh no, fish sticks really know how to broil. And so I'm offering this little cake to reformers from 1 to 7,000,002. Although it's been said many times, many ways. Happy school reform.